Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rosalie Nirmala, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. So the previous video we have seen what are the topics before you are entering into the four-fold lesson plan. So here how we are writing the four-fold lesson plan. That is nothing but we are dividing into the four columns and also we are following the Herbartian steps in that four-fold column also. So the previous video itself we have seen about how we are arriving the objectives. So that objective order only reflect in the four-fold column also. That is very important. What order you are writing the objectives? First of all, for example, if you are writing the defined atom, then illustrate with the example of the atom, and then list out the particles present in that. So that order should also reflect in the four-fold column also. Here in four-fold column lesson plan, first one is content. Content is nothing but what topic we are going to see. For example, definition of atom means here you are writing the content, in here it is you are writing the atom. Atom specification is nothing but define. Specification is nothing but define. Here the learning experience part, the teacher part as well as the students activities also comes here. And also one more thing you have to remember that when you are writing the lesson plan, it should be in present tense, not in past tense or future tense. Okay, so now we are starting. The teacher defines atom is the smallest particle. Okay, so you start from the start in the present tense only. So the teacher defines atom is the smallest particle. So you are giving some definitions and also give some examples. So what the students also doing? The students are listen, or you can say that the students write in their notebook. So here you remember that in this columns two teacher part and two student activities must hear. The evaluation part you are asking the questions. So whatever the question you are asking in the evaluation part, here you have the answer of the particular question also. You have the answer of the particular. So you are asking to define atom. So the answer should be in this learning experience. Once again I repeat that. Here the content you all know that what is the topic, then specification you are writing. Here you are writing how the teacher is explaining. So you can also say that the teacher defines the atom with the help of a model or using a chart. Like that also you can represent here. Then if you are showing any model of the atom, the students observes or the students listen, and also you can write the students draws the structure of the atom. So like that you have to write the students activity here also. Then evaluation part you are asking the question. So likewise when you are finishing the objectives which you framed, so that order only reflect here. Okay, the next column is recapitulation. The next column is recapitulation, or you can say that it is a review. So it is nothing but consolidation of the main points what you have taken in a particular period. What you have taken in the particular period. So here how will you write? So you can write in the sentence form also or in the form of the question. Sentence format or in the form of the question also. So you can have it define atom or definition of atom. Define atom. Likewise you can write in the four column also. So this recapitulation will be done. You can have interaction between the student as well as the teacher, or the teacher can herself also consolidate the main points. That's only called as a review or the recapitulation. The last one is giving us a home assignment. Home assignment is nothing but you are assigning some homework, that is called as home assignment. Then next day you are doing the follow activity whether they have finished that particular So that home assignment also not only you have to do only the questions and photographer album or collect the pictures. Suppose you have taken a topic as a trees, so you can have ask the students to collect the different pictures of the trees also. Okay, that is called as home assignment. That is called as home assignment. Then lastly, you have to write the signature of the teacher educator, signature of the student teacher, and signature of the guide teacher. So here when you are writing the lesson plan, we are following the Herbarian steps. So it should be followed in your lesson plan when you are writing the lesson plan also. Okay, thank you.